Hi, in this video, we will develop an e-commerce website using WordPress and Elementor. So as you can see that I have already built the header and footer. And what we want is to show all my products in here directly in my home page, not any other shop page. So let me show you my header and footer. So this is the main header and this is the main footer. Um, as you can see, they are all built using container. So if you're using sections, it's a very good time to use the containers because they are fast and they have less down elements, so your website will load faster. So this is the logo and this is the menu. I haven't used any inner sections for it. Just the container and the flex direction to row horizontal and justified the content to a space between. That's all. If you check the responsiveness, there's the mobile and tab and mobile. So in mobile, so since there are just two nav elements, I still have selected the row horizontal. For mobile, you can also use column vertical, so they will just stack one after another. Okay, so for the footer, if you can see that um, it's there are two containers. One is the main footer, and another is the copyright footer. So inside here we have four containers. Because each container is having a heading and an icon list, and this one is having a heading as well. So that's why I had to add another containers in them. So as you can see, they are stacked one after another. The direction is row. The justify content is a space between. The same for tablets and for mobiles. You can see that the direction is vertical, meaning they will stack one after another. Okay, so as for the plugins, I have already set up the Elementor Pro, WP Mail SMTP. SMTP is very important if you want to get messages directly to your inbox. WPS Hide login for the security of my website, and WooCommerce already have been installed. So these are just the five basic plugins for this website. Now, what we'll do, we will set up our WooCommerce store. So select the country, the postal code, sell to all countries. I will select sell to specific countries because the client's operating country is only this one. Ship to all countries to sell. Enable the use of coupon codes. Currency. Another important setting for WooCommerce. The thousands operators, number of decimals, decimal separator, they are important as well. Postcode, these are not that important as far as I know. Okay, so products. The products page is the shop page, no problem. Enable Ajax to car. Enable product reviews. That's not that important for this site. Save. Shipping. So we will work on this later on because shipping zone decides the pricing for any specific location. Payments, the client only has cash on delivery. And if you have bank transfers, or if you want to have credit card or debit card gateways in your website, then you should have a payment gateway account, and that will be then integrated to your WooCommerce store to get payments. Guest checkout allow customers to place orders without an account. So if you only want to have logged in customers to buy your products, then you should not use this. Account creation, we don't need. Account eraser requests, very important if you're living in EU countries. Okay, that looks good too. Emails. So when a customer creates a new order, the email you will get an email to these addresses. So you can just simply change the email addresses if you want to get this specific emails to a separate email account, but make sure you have configured your SMTP. Otherwise, the email submissions will go to your spam folder every time. Integrations. There are no integrations at the moment. The cart page. These are just the just to change the cart page, the checkout page. So if you're making any custom cart page, checkout page, account page, you can just change the URL from here. This is just the endpoints, the URL that you see in the address bar. Okay, so we have customized everything and we are ready to um, add the products to our e-commerce store. So let's add from products, click add new. So I will say product one and then categorize as men, regular price 100. These are all the simple products. Um, okay, so if you uh, let's add an image here. We don't have any images yet, so let's go to Excels. Excels, Pixabay, and Splash have some really good products. So let's have the smallest one. Download selected size, and we're done. Um, let's optimize, and it will still look good. Where's this image? Okay, so that's the image, and let's just duplicate this. Product 6, and finally product 7. So now if we go to home page, still nothing will happen because we will have to um, show these products to our home page. Let's edit this using Elementor. Okay, so here um, let's select this, and then products archive. This one actually, products page. products. Okay, so and these are all my products, but as you can see that um, they have their default styling. So, but first we will just add a heading. Let's change this to this one, and then center. I will say star. So let's say it will be men primary, and we will have we will just query this to include by term, uh, product categories to men, and we can also manually select which products to show, and then add a button here to um, a button here. I would say show more products. A large button here. So this button will link to the main page or the main category page where all the main products will be shown. And let's duplicate this. Um, will be women, and the query will be women. So current query, yes, latest products. Okay, so and for this one, will be latest products. So we can also add some margin here. Let's say 100 pixels, and we can add some padding here. Um, 50 to the top, 50 to the bottom, and we can also add some margin here and grab down. It looks good, I guess. Or I think we can simply just um, yeah, make the button. We can also just uh, use the padding here to add some spacing between the products and the button, and we're done. But we will still have to customize the default styling. In order to style the products, we can just change the color from here, the title, the typography to primary, then the price to black color, the regular price to black, and the box. Each box might have a border width of 1 pixel, 2 pixel padding, and some box shadow. Update, and we can refresh. Okay, so we can also make the buttons a little bit better by using another background color and changing the text color to this, and the text shadow. I think the border is looking a little bit darker, so we can change it to where's the border. So I guess that's in the box. Okay, okay. So I guess they're looking a little bit better, but there's more room to make it much better. So it's up to you how do you design it, but that's really the basics of this. Okay, so let's just copy the styles from this box from here, paste style. Now they're all now looking the same. So if we just visit our home page, so that's our new website. If we just click it, let's just change the link to these pages. I will just copy the link from here and then paste the link. This one and this one. Oops. Just make sure you are connecting the button to the correct link. Otherwise, it will go to either a different page or your website will show 404 error. So this one was just customizing the archive page. Let's change the single product page. This is the default WooCommerce single product page. What we can do is to go to from your dashboard, go to Save Templates, click Add New, and just choose single product. Single product, or I can say main single product. You can just name it anything you want. So here are some templates by Elementor. You can either use it or you can just design by your own. I will just use a template. So this one is not an ordinary image widget. As you can see that this is the product image widget. You can find the widget here, product image from product images. From the product images, it will just show the product images that you added when you were adding the product. This is the product title. This is any product content, and this is the pricing, and this is the add to cart. You can also change it. You can also change the color, the styles from here, the background color to this, and then border color if any, and the text color. You can also change the hover, and then you can also the change the, I guess, the quantity to this one. Yeah, it works. So the border color might be this too. So I guess it looks a bit better than the previous or the default WooCommerce. This is the related products. This is just a heading. You just heading. This is the related products, and then from the widget, you'll see that you'll get an product related widget. Product related, and there's customer reviews. This is just hard coded. You can also add the reviews on here. This is hard coded as well. Product meta. From the product meta, you can just use this one. Action, the category, or anything you want from here, the comments number, and then you can just customize it as much as you want. This one, so basically the first one is this for the singular and the second one is for the plural. Tag SKO, you can add anything you want. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or queries. Okay, so we will be customizing the checkout page. For some reason, the client doesn't want any cart page. The client only wants to have a page where the client only wants to have the checkout page, because when the customer buys any products, they will directly go to the checkout page. So we will edit the checkout page using Elementor. So click edit, and then I will just edit it with Elementor. So that's the old checkout widget from WooCommerce. I will just delete it, and from the panel, Elementor panel, we will find the new checkout widget by Elementor. So you can see it looks much more cleaner and even better than the previous one. So, so it has one columns or two columns. I will use two columns. We can have all these fields. We can just change the labels. We cannot remove it. In order to remove them from WooCommerce, we'll just have to manually do some things. So again, so I will just style them. Let's say, let's match the color of the button, of the purchase button. The background color should be this one. Okay, so it looks good. And any button, looking for buttons, checkboxes, messages, descriptions, forms. Check our website, visit site. So here's our website. This is the home page. If you click here, we will go to the men's section, and if we click here, we will go to the women's section. Now, if we click add to cart, we can see the view cart. So I didn't edit it, but if you want to customize it, you can simply edit with Elementor. Just just delete it and find the any card. Oh, not this one. This one, card. So you can find the new one and you can customize it. But since I don't want that, I will want edit it. So let's visit the site again. Add to cart, view cart, and if we click proceed to checkout, we will see the new checkout page. So the same goes to the same will apply to the my account page and the thank you page. So you can just edit anything you want, using the Elementor and WooCommerce. Okay, so have fun. Let me know your thoughts about that video. Thank you.